Hi, this is Maniarasan. Today we are going to see Premiere Pro interface part 3. Let's see. These are the workspace we had in the Premiere Pro, and we can see this workspace here. It's also in the windows in that workspace, like all panels, assembly, audio, caption and graphics, color, editing, etc. Here we are going to see about some of the essential panels only, like the all panels, assemble, audio, caption and graphics, color, editing, effects, essential, learning, libraries, and including the vertical. These are the main and important panels workspace we need to know, and we mostly use these only. First, all panels. In this all panels workspace, we had the entire settings and entire work panels like effects control, numerical scope, audio clip mixer, audio track mixer, as well as properties, info, effects, graphic templates, and the timeline and the bin, media browser and libraries, and the source monitor and program monitor. Everything has inputted in the all panels. By using this workspace, we can edit overall workspace. The next one is essential panel. In this essential panel, we can customize anything we want, and by using the essential workspace, we can avoid the using the other workspace, as well as like audio and editing and color, everything we can input it in this only. This workspace is convenient to work with all the workspace inputted in this. The next workspace we are going to see is vertical. This vertical workspace is very important and very useful for the current time, because by using this we can edit conveniently for the social medias. This vertical monitor is used to edit the 9:16 ratio. See, I have created a 9:16 ratio sequence. The program monitor is designed for the 9:16 ratio. So we can edit conveniently for the social medias and any other form of social medias like Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Twitter, anything is very comfortable with this space. The next one is learning. In the learning workspace, we had the source monitor and effects control and program monitor and essential sound. In the left down corner, we had the project bin and media browser and effects. And here is the timeline. We had the sound and the timeline and the effects. These are the basic panels that a new beginner going to use. Next one is assembly. This assembly workspace is an important workspace. By using this workspace, we can assemble a large amount of clips in the timeline. Just I import the clips to the bin. This is quite enough to me. See, the clips are imported in the bin. Now I can select here itself and import to the timeline. It's very much easier to me like this. We can import the clips to the timeline, and here the space we can see all the clips very conveniently. This is the purpose of this assembly. This assembly monitor or this assembly workspace is mostly used for a documentary edit or a short film or a pirate or any movie. In the movies only the assembly will most useful, because in the social medias we don't use much clips as well as used in the movies. So this assembly workspace is more useful for the movies. Next we are going to see the editing. Editing is the see, we need to reset the saved layout. By editing, we have the source monitor, effects control, audio clip mixer and metadata. In the left down corner, we had the project, media browser, graphics template, libraries, infos, effects, etc. in this. And the top right corner, we had the properties and the timeline and the program monitor. By using this, we can import the clips here itself. See, like this, I just import the clips. Next, I can add the effects. See, by using this effect panel, here I am going to add a dip to black or dissolve. I just add the cross dissolve. See, I just added the cross dissolve. This works like this, and here I can adjust the audio clips like this, and here I can adjust the audio of the clips, individual clips also. Here I can adjust the effects control. By using this effects control, we can adjust the position, scale, rotation, anchor point, anti-flicker, and the opacity and time remapping. These are the basic motion we can edit in the effects control, and as well as we can edit the effects like I just add the roughen edges to this clip. By adding this, these roughen edges settings has imported in the clips that will be shown in the effects control. See, I can edit the roughen edges values, factual influence, edges sharpness and borders. We can conveniently edit a video for assemble and basic effects by using this editing panel. Next one is the color. In this workspace, we can specifically work in the color. Like, wait a minute. This is the workspace of the color, and we have the basic color correction, and then creative, and then curves, and then color wheels and matches, and HCL secondary and beginning. In the top left corner, we had the lumetric scopes map. Like here we can change the map, vector scope and histogram and parade, and also the preset we had, and the parade type and the waveform type and the color space and the brightness. These are the panels we can add in this panel. By using these panels, we can identify the color which had the dominant. Now I am going to adjust the basic color correction for your experience. Now I am going to work with the basic color correction for you need to know how it's work. I just increase the temperature. It will increase the red tone in the video. See the red colors in the videos that has been separated in the panel. Then I am going to add saturation. See, and down the saturation. If I down everything, the graph will be going for a gray. Gray means all colors are neutral. Next one, exposure. I just keep the saturation in the halfway. The value is 100, and then just add the contrast. See, the values are adjusted in the basic color correction and the graph values are changing. See, like this. By using the graph, we can particularly identify a color which is dominant and which is we are going to improve. Okay, this is the purpose of this graph. We will see the colors in the separate video. Then I am going to move to the next workspace. The next workspace is effects. This effects panel is mainly used for the effects control and the adding the effects. See, here we had the presets and the lumetric presets and the audio effects, and then the audio transitions and the video effects and the video transitions. Here we are mostly use the video transitions and audio transitions. If we have a preset, we can also use that, and we can add some effects in the presets also. Like I just add a crop to this video like this, and in the effects control we had the effect. We gonna right click on the effect and save preset. By clicking this, we can save the crop as a preset, and we will see the crop in the presets. See, like this. And we can add anything in the presets like rough and edges. I just add to the clip and then right click the rough and edges in the effects control, then save the preset. See, I can rename the preset name. I just give roughen, then hit OK. See, in the presets the roughen has been saved. The next workspace we are going to see is audio. In the audio workspace we had the essential sound. We can browse the sound here itself like SFX and music. Like the mood is angry. Angry mood songs are shown here. Next, genre and filter and SFX also. See, category. Here ambience, animal, cartoon, crowd, lots of categories in this browse option. Then we can also edit, import the sound. See, I have imported the sound and clicked the clip. Basically, I can adjust the loudness, and in the creative we had the reverb. We can adjust the reverb as heavy, light, outside and room, and we had the pan. By using this panel we can edit audio which we are going to use in the videos. And here in the audio clip mixer, the clip mixer is mostly used for an individual clip. Like I just click the clip and I can adjust this clip audio also. Like I can increase or decrease the audio of this clip. In the clip mixer panel we can adjust the audios to increase or decrease for a particular clip. See, here in the clip mixer there are two audio layers are enabled. See, audio 1, audio 2, and in the timeline we had the two audios only in the audio 1 and audio 2 layer. I just add another layer of audio. See, like this. So here we had the audio 3. We can adjust every single clip in the same timeline. The next one is the audio track mixer. See, in the audio track mixer we can add the audio. We can adjust the audio of that entire track. See, in the audio 1 track we can adjust the entire track audios, and in the audio 2 track also. In the timeline we had the only 4 audio tracks, and in the track mixer also we had the only 4 audios. I just add another track. Add track. To add a track you just need to right click on the timeline and just click the add track. See, in the audio track mixer panel we had 5 audio tracks. These are the main things we are going to use in the audio workspace. The next workspace is caption and graphics. This caption and graphics is more finely used for the text animation or text effects. By using this we can conveniently edit a text. I just add a text layer. See, LMS part 3. Here we can transcript and caption and graphics. Here in the text panel I can change the text web school LMS. See, I just changed here. The text in the program monitor has been also changed. The next one, in the properties we can center align or top or bottom, and we can change the color. See, we have changed, and then add stroke, and then add background, and then add shadows also. These are the things we can adjust in the properties, and we can align the center align or left align. And here we have the basic text properties here, and then also we had the graphics template also. We can browse the templates. See, here I just browse this. It will take a time. See, we have the text template in the timeline that we have browsers in the online. These are the purpose of the caption and graphics. These are the main workspace we have to use in the Premiere Pro. Now we are going to see important settings in the Premiere Pro. We just go to the file and project manager. By clicking this we can consolidate our work file and send to anywhere. By using this consolidate we can combine all the assets and sequence that has been used in this workspace in a particular folder. We can browse this, and then I have created only one sequence only. If I have created a multiple sequence, that will be shown here. Then the project settings, here the general. In this general you need to ensure the renderer is in the GPU, not in the CPU. Here is already in the GPU, so no issues. Most of the computers or most of the laptops that will be automatically defaultly set in the CPU. If the renderer settings is in the CPU, it will take a lot of time to export and render, and each clips you import in the timeline it will be shown in the red line. Then in the edit preference, in the autosave settings it will be defaultly in the 20, but I just hit 5 minutes or less than that. I just give 2 minutes. It's enough to that. We have completed the entire interface of Premiere Pro and important settings. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.